Quick oil system modification for our Holden V8 block. If you look carefully, we've ground an annulus joining the two holes in the front cam bearing area. We've also drilled the second hole, which is undrilled, joining up both of the oil feed main galleys. Here we have another view. We rotate the cam bearing to the top of our newly established annulus. It eliminates oil leakage, or it helps eliminate it consistently and provides, a better film to support the camshaft in the bearing. We've got a view now of our number 4 cam bearing bore. We've actually drilled and inserted on the right hand hole that you're looking at right now, we've inserted a restrictor. Now this mod, together with the front block mod, enables the oil feed in number 4 main cam bearing tunnel to be fully blocked in the case of a solid lifter cam, or partially blocked to provide some restriction in the case of a hydraulic lifter cam. Bottom line, to maximise pressure and lifter operation, the ground annulus groove that we showed you in the previous view at the front of the block enables both of the main oil feed galleys in the block to be linked, similar to a small block chev. Now that has an enormous effect on bottom end and lifter oiling. Simple block mods improve the Holden V8 immeasurably. If you've got an ordinary street engine, do I need to do it? You know what? It's not hard. If you're a home mechanic with a porting tool and you can get to the front there and create that annulus, drill the hole on the oil feed, on the second oil feed, which is undrilled from the factory, you're actually making the main bearings cop a full load of oil instantly. By doing the cam bearing mod in the back, if you restrict it, as we've done for hydraulic, that's wonderful, then you've got a flood of oil everywhere. Both lifter bores cop large amounts of oil and the mains cop large amounts of oil, which is not standard in the Holden V8. It's not a hard mod to do. Now there are a lot of other guys who are doing, oh well, I'll do it this way and I add an extra this and we've done other more complex ways of doing the same thing, and they may be even more effective. But here, the scope that we're talking about is a street engine, up to 6,000 or thereabouts, even a bit more, makes a big difference. And it's also nice to have a hydraulic lifter. When you start the engine in a typical Holden V8, they go clack, 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 clack for a few seconds. A mod like this almost eliminates that, if not eliminates that. It's just nice. You have oil everywhere, you have instant pressure everywhere, and you protect main bearings very effectively. And in the Holden V8, some of the main bearing which feed the rod journals are very susceptible to starvation, run bearings, etc., etc. All right, that's it.